An unsettling question arises: where do you see yourself in 5 years? As marketers, this question now carries weight in our ever-evolving industry. With AI rapidly advancing, many professionals ponder their future job security. Concerns are escalating: will our roles still exist in a world dominated by AI? A recent survey indicates that 1 in 4 marketers is worried about job stability. In just a year, that number could double as AI's presence grows. It's clear that adapting to AI technologies is essential for survival in marketing. Fortunately, countless AI tools are emerging, many of which come at a low cost. But where should a marketer begin when faced with this vast array of options? Let's explore 6 powerful AI tools designed for modern marketers to thrive. First up is Descript, a game-changing tool for creating videos swiftly. Descript boasts a user-friendly interface that simplifies video editing by editing transcripts. This revolutionary approach allows you to focus on content instead of technicalities. From social media snippets to polished presentations, Descript enhances video production. Next is Airtable AI. Imagine spreadsheets supercharged with intelligence and versatility. Airtable streamlines data analysis, empowering marketers to derive insights easily. With its AI capabilities, managing and optimizing content has never been easier. Imagine publishing articles and landing pages with optimized text generated effortlessly. Zapier AI is the ultimate automation tool, redefining how tasks are managed. With over 7,000 integrations, it empowers marketers to create personalized workflows. Need an agent that helps automate tasks? Zapier's AI agent is the answer. With Zapier, you can ask about analytics without needing to be data savvy. Raycast and ChatGPT come together, making AI accessible wherever you work. Raycast streamlines productivity by aggregating various AI capabilities in one place. Harnessing sophisticated AI models helps marketers fine-tune their processes effortlessly. Feel empowered to write, analyze, and strategize, all supported by AI technology. Discover Wispr Flow, a speech-to-text tool that revolutionizes traditional writing methods. With its clean transcription, you can easily generate polished written content. Use Wispr Flow to brainstorm ideas or prepare for essential meetings effortlessly. Finally, Canva encompasses DIY design capabilities powered by AI magic. Create stunning visuals quickly, even without a dedicated designer on hand. The landscape of marketing is transforming, driven by the revolution of AI tools.